Nana, wait till mommy eat
What are you eating, Daryl?
What's that, Darren?
What are you eating? Chicken? Show mommy nga your chicken.
Show the camera where's the chicken.
Oh, ako will take your video. Mommy will give you chicken.
There's everything.
What's this, Daryl?
Parties, music, girls.
Oh, wait. Wait, oh, ito na.
New
Sige,
Vision.
Wow.
Movie. Sunday, 7:30 p.m. on Disney Channel.
Yummy? It's yummy, Darren?
Delicious.
Sheer good fun with
Ako talking to you. Hey, look.
on
Look
Disney
at ako.
Channel.
What are you eating, Be? Delicious. Is it delicious? Is it delicious? Hati ko.
Wow.
Is it delicious? You tell mommy first. Is it good? Sarap ba? Sarap? Sige, kaya mo yan, anak. Oh, mommy help you, ah. Finish na ba your mouth? Show mommy your mouth first. No more? Oh, very good.
Wow, galing ah.
Wow! Sarap? Siya lang kumain lahat niyan.
Nasaan?
Ayan o, lahat niyan siya kumain.
Wow.
At ang tatak niyan ay... There is new favorite, Mang Inasal. Sarap? Darin, can I ask you a question? 1 plus 1?
Very good.
Oh.
You want rice?
Can I ask you a question? 2 times 1? Darin,
That.
Darin, can I ask you a question? 2
Darren,
times
mommy's
1.
talking to you. Anong da?
Mommy help you. What ay chicken? Borrow mommy first. Oh. What's your daddy's name? Huh? Glenn?
Atay.
What's your mommy's name? Hey, stand up. Dali, oh. Ala, you look at your arm mo. Putol. I-show ako your cheek. One by one, ah. You have food pa inside your mouth. You swallow that first.
Ay, yun o.
I-show ako your arm. I-show ako your arm. What's this, Daryl? What's
Very
this?
good.
What's this? This one? Ha? Galit ka? What's that?
Delicioso!
What's that, Daryl? Okay.
Chicken. Is that your new favorite? Oh, you give some to the camera. Binibigyan mo yung camera.
What's this?
Ay.
Sino to? Sino to? Daryl, who's this? Daryl, who's this?
No. You eat na.
Show mommy your mouth. May laman pa? Show mommy first your mouth. No more? Goodie.
Ano ulo?
Okay lang yan.
Tapos wala ko.
Ay, say bye-bye na. Eat na ikaw ng chicken. Daryl, say bye. Daryl, look at me. I'm talking to you.
Ay, get the camera.
Daryl, can I ask you a question? Do you know Ondoy? Look at mommy. Do you know Ondoy? You answer. Do you know Ondoy? Daryl,
Dahil your mommy's talking to you.
I will eat all your chicken. Do you know Ondoy? Yes or no?
Ako yun na, mommy will eat your chicken na.
Do you know Ondoy? No? How about Pepeng? No. You tell them to go Alice. Sino Alice? Ondoy.
Ako?
Alice.
Na ako?
Alice Ondoy. You say Alice Ondoy. Dali, mommy will eat your chicken. You say Alice Ondoy. Dali na. Babay na ako. Busy ka dyan, ha. Mommy will help you na. You say bye-bye first here. You look at
bye-bye
mommy.
muna.
You look at mommy. You say bye here. Bye-bye. Sabi mo, I will eat chicken. Wait lang. Oh. Last subo. Oh, last subo.
Say,
Say,
Ay, wala.
You say, Daryl, you say, very good. Say, bye. Show me your hand. Bye. Paano bye-bye? Show mommy your hand. Bye-bye. Uy. How about bye-bye like that, your hand?
Thank you. What's your
Say bye-bye.
favorite? Say, Mang Inasal.
Asal.
Oh, you show them. You show the camera this one, oh. This is my favorite.
You show the camera. Show
the
mommy.
camera.
Show mommy your
Show.
favorite chicken.
You show
Ayan,
the leader.
show here. Here.
You show. What's your favorite?
Wow. Ay, kiss mo na yung favorite mo, ang inasal. No, you
Kiss the
kiss mang
chicken now.
inasal. You kiss mang inasal.
Kiss. Mwah.
Bye. Bye. Say bye. Say bye here.
Kinikiss niya yung plastic. Ay, Daryl, you kiss your chicken. Kiss your chicken.
Hala! Say bye.
Bye.